pictures showing new performance add-ons for the 2018 Dodge Durango RT and SRT models at the Chicago Auto Show, including the familiar Dodge dual center stripes and the new Mopar exhaust system. The 475 horsepower SRT model, which is powered by a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, will also offer a lowering spring kit and a carbon fiber instrument panel. The signature two-stripe treatment blankets the three-row SUV from the front to rear fascia and is tailored to the signature NACA duct-hood vent. It'll come in 5 different colors: bright blue, flame red, gunmetal low gloss, metallic finish, low gloss black and sterling silver, and retail for $1,195 starting in March. Mopar developed its new bolt-on performance exhaust systems with Dodge SRT engineers and designers to improve flow and achieve that sweet sound. It features a chromium 304 stainless steel construction to make it more resistant to corrosion, with stainless steel band-style clamps and welded and polished 4-inch tips. It costs $1,595 for the Durango RT and is available now. On the SRT, the price goes up to $1,850, with the package available in the second quarter. New Mopar springs improve the Durango SRT's high-speed cornering stability and consistency by lowering the SUV an average of 15 mm, or 0.6 inches. They were developed with proprietary Dodge SRT data not available to the aftermarket to tune the lowering springs to the factory dampers, giving the vehicle less rear-end squat during acceleration, less nosedive while braking and reduced body roll on corners. MSRP on the package, which is available now, is $325. For just under $2,500 you can get the SRT Interior Appearance Group Package, which adds a premium wrap carbon fiber instrument panel and door bezels, dynamic soft touch headliner and accent paint on speaker trim rings.